Look, baby. We've got a Christmas tree here.
Oh, baby.
Don't be such a baby. Your Christmas tree's here. Your first one. Are you excited? I can tell by the sound of your voice. Helicopter. That's much better. Are you so excited? It's your first Christmas tree. What do you think? What do you think, my love? You got Moo Moo there with you? Are you excited? I can tell. Yeah.
Ready for a trip down to Tamarack Beach.
Yeah. What else do you think? Yeah. It's going to be a great Christmas, huh? With you. Yeah, hopefully you'll just keep doing that. That'll be great.
Look, Charlie.
Look, Charlie. Your first tree. Yeah? Sounds like you really like it. He's going to need a bottle pretty soon. Oh, yeah. All right, that's enough of that. Merry Christmas. You say Merry Christmas, everybody. Bye. You don't even know why you're crying.